Hello everyone. I hope that everyone is okay with the corona situation. If not, I wish you all to get recovered from every unexpected situation. By the way, in this video, I'm going to talk about one word substitute. One word substitute. What is it? It means you're going to replace a phrase, a group of words or a sentence with one particular word. ඒ කියන්නේ ඕගොල්ලෝ වාක්‍ය ඛණ්ඩයක් එහෙම නැත්නම් වචන කිහිපයක් එහෙම නැත්නම් වාක්‍යයක් තනි වචනයකින් replace කරන්නයි යන්නේ. Today I'll teach you only 6 words under this lesson. Let's look at these sentences first. There are 3 sentences. Let's read them one by one. Look at the first one. Abraham Lincoln was killed cruelly and wantonly by a mad gunman. Abraham Lincoln was killed cruelly and wantonly. අමානුෂික විදිහට. ඒ වගේම wantonly කිසිම ගරු සරුවක් නැති විදිහට තුවාකුකාරයෙකු විසින් Abraham Lincolnව මරලා දැම්මා. Here the sentence is in passive voice and we are going to replace the phrase killed cruelly and wantonly. ඔය underline කරලා තියෙන අන්නේ phrase එක අපි replace කරන්න යන්නේ තනි වචනයකින්. What is that word? Assassinated. ඝාතනය කළා. Assassinate means ඝාතනය කරනවා. Assassinated ඝාතනය කළා. As the sentence is passive, you have to use past participle form of the verb, and the past participle form of assassinate is also assassinated. Here we can reread the sentence like this. Abraham Lincoln was assassinated by a mad gunman. Right, let's move to the second sentence. Martha came all the way from London to see her father, who was very sick and weakening day by day. Martha ලන්ඩන් වල ඉඳන් ආවා යාගේ තාත්තව බලන්න, who was very sick. තාත්තා කොහොමද ගොඩක් අසනීපෙන් and weakening day by day. දවසින් දවස දුර්වල වෙනවා. So we are going to replace these words. Very sick and weakening day by day. You can use the word ailing here like this. Martha came all the way from London to see her father who was ailing. Ailing means poor in health. Then let's move to the third sentence. These days, many soft drinks contain small amount of alcohol. මේ දවස්වල soft drinks, ඒ කියන්නේ සැර නැති බීමවල alcohol මද වශයෙන් අඩංගු වෙනවා. Contain a small amount of alcohol. මෙන්න මේ phrase එක අපි replace කරන්න යන්නේ. Here we can use the word Alcopop. So we can reread this sentence like this. These days, many soft drinks contain small amount of alcohol. කියන වාක්‍ය කියන්න පුළුවන්. These days, many soft drinks are Alcopops. They are Alcopops. Now you have learned 3 words. Assassinated, ailing, Alcopop. Then we will look at the next 3 sentences. Here, let's learn another 3 new words. Go through these sentences first. The first one says, her words were so consoling and so encouraging to a bed patient like me. ඇගේ වචන කොහොමද? So consoling, සනසනවා. And so encouraging, ධෛර්යමත් කරනවා to a bed patient like me. ඇඳට වෙලා ඉන්න මං වගේ රෝගියෙකුට. Here Here we can replace the praise so consoling and so encouraging by using the word balm. Like this, her words were balm to a bed patient like me. Then the next sentence, when a person with clothing is on fire, throw cold water on him immediately. ඒ කියන්නේ when a person with clothing is on fire. කෙනෙක්ගේ ඇඳුම ඇඳගෙන ඉන්නකොට එයාව ගිනි ගන්නවා නම් what should we do? Throw cold water on him immediately. හැකි ඉක්මනින් සිසිල් වතුර ඇඟට විසික් කරන්න. Here, the phrase throw cold water on. You can use douse. When a person with clothing is on fire, douse him immediately. See? Then next one, Napoleon Bonaparte has been sent away from France. Sent away from France. ඒ කියන්නේ ප්‍රංශයෙන් පිටමං කෙරුවා. Here we can use the word exile instead of sent away. Napoleon Bonaparte was exiled from France. Napoleon Bonaparte was exiled from France. Right, we have learned 6 new words under the lesson One Word Substitute. Let's meet soon with other new words also. Goodbye.